Hi, what is the value of f of x, given that you have the function f of x plus 1 equals x squared plus 7x equals 15? Then let's see how to do it. First of all, let's have it to be solution. We have f of x plus 1 equals x squared plus 7x plus 15. Then we have 15 as 3 times 5. Then the sum of 15 cannot give us 7. And we want to express this side as in terms of x plus 1. There's no way we want to do it, but let's see it. We have f of x plus 1 will be equals x squared plus 4x plus 3 plus 3x. We give us 7x plus 15. So from here we have x squared. Let's have this as 3x. Then let's have plus 4x plus 15. Then we have it to be f of x plus 1. So our concern is we want to express this side as in terms of x plus 1. What's common between this and this is x. This will be x plus 3. Let's factor 4 from here. Here will be x. I think when we multiply this 4 by 3 here, it will give us 12. Then we have to add plus 3. So then we have this side to be f of x plus 1. So from here we have f of x plus 1 equals, what we're going to have is, let's do this first. We have x plus 3. This will be x plus 4, then plus 3. Now, to have this as x plus 1, we can have it as this, x plus 1. This will be x plus 1, then plus 2 here. This will also be x plus 1, then plus 3, then plus 3. Then let us now recall, because we are asked to find f of x. So therefore, let's x plus 1 to be equals t. When x plus 1 equals t, meaning that from here we are going to have f of t equals, here will be t plus 2 times t plus 3, then plus 3. So we have f of t times t will be t square plus 3t plus 2t plus 6 plus 3. We have f of t squared plus 5t plus 9. So from here, therefore, we can have f of x to be x squared plus 5x plus 9 to be the solution. So that's the method 1. Let's see the method 2. Recall we are given f of x plus 1 to be equals x squared plus 7x plus 15. Then we have to find f of x. We can say let x plus 1 to equals t. Then from here, this implies x will be equals t minus 1. So we're going to have this side to be f of t Then our x will be t minus 1 square plus 7 into t minus 1 plus 15. The expansion of this simply means t minus 1 times t minus 1 plus 7 into t minus 1 plus 15. Then we have this as f of t. T times t will be t square. This will be minus t minus t. So we'll have this to be plus 1. Then we have this as 7t minus 7 plus 15. F of t here will be t square minus t will be minus 2t plus 1 plus 7t. Then 15 minus 7, this will give us 8. F of t square. We have minus 2t plus 7t. This will give us plus 5t plus 1 plus 8. So from here we have f of t to be t square plus 5t plus 8. So therefore, we have f of x to be x squared plus 5x, plus 9. Plus 9. And this is the final answer for the value of f of x. So both the first method and the second method are the same thing in terms of getting the answer. And here are the steps. So comment